Hello everyone and welcome to Cooking with Nate. Today we will be making the Oreo mug cake. So we're going to need flour, a mug, obviously for making a mug cake. Let's just put it there. Some cocoa powder, some Oreos, and lastly some sugar. So it turns out you also need baking powder. All right, now you must take 4 delicious Oreos. Just take those little guys out of there. 4 Oreos. Now, your 4 Oreos. We must quickly place them all into our mug. All in the mug. Our next step is to take your preferred weapon and destroy the Oreos. Once you have a nice mug of completely smashed Oreos, one sec, let me get them a little more. Make sure you lick the spoon after. Not the spoon, whatever your weapon was. Make sure you lick the whatever it was after. Next, you need step to the counter. Next, you need 1/4 cup milk. Just get that in there. Next up, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon flour, 1/2 tablespoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. Next, stir. Might take a little bit. So you're gonna stir it till it's kind of like this. Next, I'm gonna put it in the microwave for 1 minute. You're gonna take it out. And enjoy. Be sure to like this video and subscribe. 1, to join Team Tainment and add Nader Tot to your 50-year shopping list, obviously. And if you just like this recipe, then like and subscribe. It helps my channel out a ton. Thanks. See you guys next time. If you ever watch one of my videos again.